Hello,
Your
ladies.
challenges
It's
are a
me,
young group from
Janisa, owner
Houston.
of Magic Hair
Welcome
Company, your
Beyonce,
favorite glueless
Lativia,
lace wig
Nina,
store
Nikki,
located
Kelly,
in
and
Culver City,
Ashley, the
California,
hip hop
USA.
rapping
So today we're
Girls
going to show
Time.
you what it is like to cut the lace off of one of our beautiful front lace wigs. So the exact unit that we will be talking about today is a 16-inch front lace curly wig that we did a custom ombre on. If you would like more information on this exact unit, price, details, and how to order, head on over to magichaircompany.com, and this is unit number 185. Again, this is unit number 185. Okay, so right here we're cutting the lace off of the front hairline. We will do this for you whether you make your purchase from us in store or online. So whether you make your purchase online or in store, we will gladly cut that lace for you. We do not want you to have to fool with cutting the lace when you get this wig home. We have clients complain all the time about how they used to buy wigs from beauty supply, that they would have to cut the lace, they would damage the hairline, and could no longer use the wig. We have customers bring us wigs from other companies all the time to cut the lace. Why would you want to make an additional stop and have somebody else cut your lace? Let us do it for you here at Magic Hair Company. Not only do our wigs have a natural, less dense hairline, the wigs are pre-bleached. The knots are pre-bleached on the wigs. There's baby hair all the way around the perimeter, and it's going to give you the most natural look. Another benefit about shopping with us at Magic Hair Company is we do all of our own custom coloring. So if you bring in a picture, we can try to duplicate it as closely as possible and get it just to your liking. Not only will we cut the lace for you, not only can we custom color your wig, but we have the best hair quality around and the best cap construction, so your wig will last you for years and years to come. We also have our very own hair care product line, so we'll also send you home with the proper shampoo, conditioner, and styling products that you need to style your hair. Check out our full wig collection at magichaircompany.com, or of course make an appointment to shop with us here in our Culver City store. We have hundreds of glueless lace wigs ready and available, looking for a new home. If you are suffering from hair loss, we also can help you get your medical reimbursement from your insurance provider. Yes, ladies, we can help you get your wig paid for by insurance. So now you see me being silly, just showing you how transparent our lace is here. Again, if you want more information on this exact wig, this is wig number 185, available at magichaircompany.com, or you can give us a call at 310-558-0181 and let us know you would like more information on wig number 185. This is one of our top 10 most popular wigs. It's a 16-inch curly. All of our wigs are free parting up to 6 inches in the front. What are you waiting for, ladies? If you want a natural, long-lasting human hair wig, shop with us at Magic Hair Company or make an appointment to shop with us in store. See you soon. Bye.